So good morning everyone. In last class we have discussed about LCM, and also in exercise 3.5 we have started our first bit. So in that first one, second one, third one I told you, and fourth one I gave it as homework. It is 18 and 27. You have to find the LCM of 18 and 27. That one I gave it as homework. Now we are starting our fifth bit. So what is fifth bit here? 48, 56 and 72. So we have to find the LCM for these three numbers. LCM is nothing but least common multiple. So by using which method we are using? By using prime factorization we are doing. So prime factorization means only we will use a prime numbers for factorizing the numbers. Okay. So first you write all the numbers individually. Okay. Now you start doing the prime factorization. So 48 prime factors we have to find. 56 prime factors we have to find. 72 prime factors we have to find. Okay. So here 8 is a even number. So we are applying now divisibility rules. So 8 is a even number. So it will go in two tables. So 2 24s are 48. Again 4 is a even number. 2 12s are 24. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So this is our prime factorization for 48. Now coming to next one, that is 56. 6 is also a even number. So it will go in two table again. 2 28s are 56. 2 14s are 28. 2 7s are 14. 7 is a prime number. So 7 1s are 7. So we got the prime factors of 56 also. Now 72. Now it is again 2 is a even number. So it will go in two table. So 2 36 are 72. 2 18s are 36. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So we got the prime factors of 72 also. Now you write all these prime factors here. 42 can be written as 2 into 2 into how many 2's? 4 2's into 1 3 into 1. Okay. Next is 56. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 1 and 72. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. So these are the factors of the given number, prime factors of the given number. So how to find the LCM? First we have to find the HCF value. HCF is nothing but taking the common term in all the numbers. Okay, so first take the common number in all the numbers, that is 2, 2, 2. Okay, so these are the common numbers. So and 1. So this becomes the HCF. What is HCF here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Okay. Now how to find the LCM? This HCF value write as it is. Now we have to take the remaining numbers. So from this 2 3's you can take 1 3 as common. And remaining every number is alone. So 2 as it is, 7 as it is, and 3 as it is. Okay. Now we have to multiply all this. So if you multiply, how much you will get? 1008. So what is the LCM value here? LCM is 1008. So once again see this, do the prime factorization of 48, 56 and 72. So before finding the LCM value, first we have to find the HCF. So how to find the HCF? HCF is which number is common in all the terms, we have to take that one. 2 is common, 2 is common, 2 is common, and 1 is common in all the three different numbers. So that is the HCF value. Now how to find the LCM? HCF you write as it is, and remaining numbers you have to write here. That is from these 2 3's I am taking only 1 3, and remaining numbers all are alone, so have written in the same order. So if you multiply all these terms, how much you will get? 1008. So this is our fifth bit. Next, sixth bit. What is that? 26, 14 and 91. So for this we have to find the LCM again by using prime factorization only. So write all the numbers individually first. Okay, so we have to find the prime factors of 26, prime factors of 14 and prime factors of 91. So here 6 is a even number, so it will go in 2 table. So 2 13s are 26. 13 is a prime number, so 13 ones are 13. Now coming to 14. 4 is a even number, so it will go in 2 table. 2 7s are 14. 7 ones are 7 because 7 is a prime number. Next 91. 91 will go in 7 table. 7 ones are 7. 7 3s are 21. So 13 7s are 91. 13 is a prime number, so it will be 13 ones are 13. So what is the prime factors? What is the LCM here? We will see now. So 26 can be written as 2 into 13 into 1 and 14 can be written as 2 into 2 into 7 into 1 and 91 can be written in the form of 7 into 13 into 1. Okay, so now first we have to find the HCF. What is HCF value? In 3 numbers, what is a common value that will become a HCF? So what is the HCF here? 1 is HCF. Here you got the HCF as 1, so you can say that the 3 numbers are co-primes also. Okay, so now HCF value you got it as 1. Now we have to find the LCM. So how to find the LCM? 1 we have to write as it is. HCF value we have to write as it is. And remaining numbers. From these 2 2s we can take 1 2. From these 2 7s we can take 1 7. And from these 2 13s we can take 1 13. Okay. So what it will be now? It will be 182. Okay. 13 2s is 26. 26 7s is 182. So what you got the LCM as? LCM you got it as 182. So this is our first bit. Okay. Now second bit. By using division method we have to solve now. Now what is that? Find the LCM of the following numbers by division method. Already I told you about division method, how to find the LCM. I told you. So what is the first one? Find the LCM of the following numbers by division method. So by using division method we are solving now. So what is the first one in that? Second bit, first one. That will be 84, 112 and 196. Okay. So first by using which method we are doing? We are doing by using division method. So given numbers. What are the numbers? 84, 112 and 196. So division method I am doing here. Now here 4 is also even number, 2 is also even number, 6 is also an even number. So I am taking in 2 table. So 2 how many times will be equals to 84? We have to think. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. That means 2 42s are 84. Okay. Now in 2 table 112 how many times it will go? We have to think. So 2 5s is 10. 1 will be remaining because 11 it is there. Okay. If you subtract 11 minus 10 will be 1. So that 1 I am taking it as borrow. So now it has become 12 here. So 2 6 are 12. So it is 256 is 112. Next is 196. In 2 table 196 how many times it will go? We have to think. So 2 9s is 18 but it is 19. So how much it will be the borrow? It will be 1. So it became 16 now. So 2 8s are 16. Okay. That means 2 42s are 84. 256 are 112. 2 98s are 196. Now again 2 is a even number, 6 is also a even number, 8 is also a even number. So again it will go in two table. So 2 21s are 42, 2 28s are 56, 2 49s are is 98. Okay. Now 21, 28 and 49 will go in 7 table. They are divisible in 7 table. So 7 3s are 21. Next 7 4s are 28. Next 7 7s are 49. So in this 3 don't have any common multiple. So let it be like this. Or you can individually you can calculate. First I am taking 3. 3 1s are 3. 4 will not go in 3, so write as it is. 7 will not go in 3, so write as it is. Now take 4. 1 as it is. 4 1s are 4. 7 as it is. 7 now. 1 1 7 1s are 7. So now you multiply all this. So what is the LCM here? LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 4 into 7. So 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 4 into 7 is the prime factors what you got here. So now multiply all these values. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So 16 into 7 7s is 49. Will be 54. 10 15 9 plus 1 9. 9 into 1 9. 14. 24. You got it as 784. 784 into 3 we have to do. So you got it as 2352. So what is the LCM of the given numbers? It is 2352. So this is how we will do. We will find the LCM by using division method. So next one we will do. So what is next one we will see now. So second one in this. What is second one? 102, 119 and 153. So for this we have to find the LCM by using division method. So these three values will go in 17 table. That is 17 6s. Next is 17 7s, 17 9s. Okay, so 17 6s is 102, 17 7s are 119, 17 9s are 153. So now what is the common factor we can take? 6 will go in 3 table and also 9 will go in 3 table. So I am taking it as 3 here. 3 2s are 6, 7 will not go in 3 tables, so write as it is. 3 3s are 9. So in these 3 numbers you don't have any common divisor. So that will be what? 2 1s are 2. 7 will not go in 2 tables, so write as it is. 3 will not go in 2 tables, so write as it is. Now again 7. 1 write as it is. 7 1s are 7. 3 write as it is with 3. Okay. Now what is the LCM here? That will be 17 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 3. So if you multiply this all, you will get as 2142. So this is the LCM for this question. So what is the LCM of 102, 119 and 153? These three numbers will be divided with 17 table. So 17 6s is 102, 17 7s is 119, 17 9s is 153. So in these two numbers, 6 and 9 will be divisible with 3. So 3 2s are 6. 7 will not come in 3 tables. So I am writing this 7 as it is. 3 3s are 9. So these three numbers are not divisible with any other number. So that number itself we are taking. First I am taking it as 2. 2 1s are 2. 7 as it is. 7 3 as it is. Again 7. This one I wrote as it is. 7 1s are 7. 3 as it is. 3 1 1 1. So if you multiply these all, how much you will get? 2142. Next is so what is the third question? That is 45, 99, 132 and 165. So we have to find the LCM of 4-digit number now. Four different numbers. So what is the given term? Numbers given 45, 99, 132 and 165. So we have to find the LCM by using division method here. So in which table it will go, we have to check first. So these all numbers will go in 3 table. Why I am telling 3 table? By using divisibility rules, I am telling that these 3 numbers are divisible with 3. So 4 plus 5. What is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all digits should be divisible by 3. So if you add all the numbers for each and every number, that will be divisible by 3 there. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That means 45 will also be divisible with 3. In the same way 99. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 is divisible with 3 tables. So 99 will also be divisible with 3 tables. Next, in the same way 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So 132 will also be divisible by 3. In the same way 165. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 12 is divisible by 3 tables. So 165 is also divisible by 3 tables. So now how many times it will be going, we have to check. So 3 how many times will be equals to 45. Here 4 is 3 ones are 3. So 1 will be borrow. 4 minus 3 will be 1. So 1 is borrow. Now it became 15. So 3 5s are 15. So you got as 3 15s are 45. Now 99. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Now 132. So 3 4s are 12. 1 will be borrow. 3 4s are 12. So 3 44s are 132. In the same way 3 5s are 15. 1 will be borrow. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now in which table we can take? We can take in 11 table. So 15 will not go in 11 table. So as it is we will write. Remaining numbers we will solve. So 11. 15 will not go in 11 table. So I am writing 15 as it is. 11 3s are 33. 11 4s are 44. 11 5s are 55. Now these two numbers are divisible with 3. So I am taking 3 now. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 4 as it is. 5 as it is. Now these two numbers are divisible by 5 now. That is 5 1s are 5. 1 as it is. 4 as it is 1 time. So what is the last number you are having? 4. So with 4 you do. So what is the LCM now? LCM is equals to 3 into 11 into 3 into 5 into 4. So that will be how much? Here 3 3s are 9. So 9 11s are will be 99. 99 into 5 4s are 20. 99 into 20 we have to do 0 0 18 19. So that will be 1980. So what is the LCM? You got it as 1980 is our LCM. So with this our third bit is completed. So from second bit is completed. Next third, fourth, fifth will continue in next class. Thank you.